Why are you screaming? Boy.
What's up, guys?
He's here.
Okay, guys, so today is my birthday, May
So happy
16th.
birthday to him.
May 16th. I'm the birthday boy, rocking it. Yeah. Okay.
Can you calm down, please?
I'm the birthday boy, rocking it. Today's my birthday. Okay, guys, today's my birthday. I think she has a lot of things in stock for me. I don't know what she has planned. I don't know. But she said
I
she
hope I
has.
don't disappoint you.
Anyhow small it is, don't worry, I'm going to appreciate it because it's the effort that matters, not what you intend or what you tend to do. So we hope you guys enjoy it though. I hope I enjoy it too. So thank you very much.
So our food is ready and this is the birthday boy.
Yeah. Birthday boy. Yeah.
So today is his day, guys, to enjoy.
Today's my turn to enjoy, guys. So I'll be doing the opening of the drink and the launching of the food because I like food. My baby cooked the food actually. Like she took her time in preparing everything. She's so sweet.
Aww, thank you.
She's so sweet. The last time I made it, so this time I was at home. So she's not start getting her head high. Like,
it's okay.
She's so
So yeah, I made. I don't know if you guys can see. You have to take it too close though. Don't sit down.
Don't sit down.
I don't know.
Yeah,
Okay, so I made fried rice and jollof rice and.
but babe, this food is too much.
It's too much until you start eating and you finish everything.
Just for the camera's sake, this food is too much. I don't eat a lot.
You don't eat what?
I don't eat a lot.
So guys, today's my baby's birthday. I'm super excited about it. Happy birthday once again, baby. Okay, so
we want come and join us. You guys come and join us.
Join us.
We have 931 spoons for all our subscribers, and if you are just joining us, so
yeah,
if you come, we'll give you your own spoon too. If you come, we'll give you your spoon, your friend's spoon. Okay. So thank you very much, guys.
Yeah. So baby, cheers. Alright, guys. We'll see you after the food. Those of you coming, just come. The door is open. Okay.
Yeah. Finally, God, we're done with the food.
Yeah, guys, we are done. You see what I said the other time? See, I couldn't finish it.
Behind the scene, those like there's behind the scene, right? We went to drop back the remaining food. After we left you guys, we went to reduce the food.
Baby, you're lying on your birthday.
I'm not. Okay, we dropped the food. Down. It's not like. It's not like. It's not like.
He finished everything, or I couldn't finish. Anyway, guys, so what's next, babe? What do you want next?
My cake, please. You spent energy in making that cake, so I need my cake now. Okay, so let's just clear this place. Let me help you clean it.
Alright, thank you.
Okay, I think we still need to juice. No, they do it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear. Sweetheart.
Love of my life.
Happy birthday to you. I don't know how to sing. Omedeto. Let me speak a little Japanese. Omedeto. What are you doing?
I'm checking.
Oh jeez, this guy.
Okay, guys.
Make a wish, babe. Make a wish, babe. Why you laughing? What's funny?
Make a wish.
Make a wish. Make a wish.
No, we didn't grow up making wishes. Where's that 2 bottles of Coca-Cola?
I'm telling
This
you,
is like
and
2 bottles
juice.
of
You have
Coca-Cola.
juice already. Book up Fanta.
Yeah, come and take picture.
Okay.
So actually,
Babe,
okay, let
make a
me
wish.
Go.
Are you done making your wish?
Yeah.
Ooh, the smoke is going to affect our subscribers.
Subscribers, don't get angry. What do you guys think about the cake? We made it ourselves. We know it looks crappy. We know the cake looks crappy, but
Does it?
but to me, if I'm to score ourselves, this is our first time. Like this is our
Making a
first
cake.
time making a cake. Even designing a cake, this is my first time. So I think for me, I'm going to give us.
You show them the cake.
For me, I'm going to give us a 9.
Why are you scoring yourself? Ask them to rate you.
So you guys rate our.
So guys, this is the cake.
Don't let this thing fall down. If this thing should fall. Okay.
Oh my god, babe, cut the cake.
So actually, I'm going to give
you
us.
know you did it for my birthday, you're just eating my cake.
So you let me cut it and say Jesus now. Have you forgotten? Calm down, Phil. Now.
Let me just take this one I've taken already.
You not taking, we can put it back.
Yeah, wicked. Wait, I'll spell the Jesus.
Is it your birthday? Hey, women, why do
I'm the organizer of the birthday. Let's spell Jesus.
It's
J.
I word it like this and tell you.
Okay.
You know your friend is supposed to take picture with you, but because of the way you won't take picture with
Is
you.
it?
No, you cannot take picture. You will not take picture. You will not take picture.
Baby, be serious. Be serious.
You know I'm the birthday boy now. I won't give you for my cake. I won't give you for my cake.
Baby, be serious now.
Do I look like someone that is joking? I won't give you for my cake. My subscribers, I'll share for you people. Just send your address down below. We'll send it to you guys. Say, let's say Jesus together. J. Don't mind that. Oh yeah, I'm sure. Okay, guys.
Jesus. Jesus. Woo!
I'm not continuing. Jesus.
Yo. Can I take it now? Oh, I'm taking it already.
Jesus, I've got the cake. More guys. Speak enough.
It was just sweet. Okay. Here. Wow! Yeah! We're about to follow
Plus, so the first
931 subscribers,
Yeah,
and
so
the
we
new
have to-
subscribers coming.
you have your own.
To make it
version.
1K subscribers, you still have your cake here with us. Don't hesitate to drop your address down below, phone numbers, everything.
Don't drop your phone numbers. Don't drop your address.
Okay.
I'm eating my cake alone.
Still boy.
Bring it down. So, can we?
Nothing big, babe. Just one.
Adidas, baby.
I hope you like it. Oh, he's screaming.
Damn. She get like.
You've always wanted this Adidas.
Yeah. Oh. Big thanks.
You're welcome.
Yeah, no shorts. No shorts.
Yes, definitely.
But babe, this is very, very cool. Thanks.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, there.
Oh.
ones too.
Like massive nylon plastic bag. Whoa! See, that guy came with Adidas bag. So whenever I'm wearing this shirt now, this clothes now, I'll have to wear with this bag.
I hope you like it.
I'm an Adidas board. I've really wanted this thing, like this bag, especially this type of bag that has just one in pocket.
So yeah, that's it, baby.
Oh, no, thank you very much. Yeah.
Yeah.
She's
So,
such a darling. Thank you.
I guess that's the end of your birthday vlog.
You ended it well, actually. Started with nice baking. Then after you went to cooking. Then after cooking, eating.
Eating what?
Now the star boy, the Adidas boy.
Adidas ambassador.
Yeah. But do you know with this thing, Adidas are supposed to give me like brand deal.
Because you're the first to buy Adidas complete. Not
Yeah.
serious.
Yeah. Yeah. So when you wear this and this with this, that hashtag Adidas. Happy birthday. Thank you very much to everyone. I really appreciate it. It was really a wonderful birthday. Thanks to my lovely sweetheart here. She has just been a blessing. She has been a great support to me. And these gifts just made everything even super romantic and sweet.
Yeah.
Thank you. Sayonara.
Alright guys, goodbye.
Bye.